Hi guys, hope you're well. I wanted to do a quick video. This is a free video that will help you if you want to make money with Clickbank. Part of the reason I'm doing this is because of the Amazon affiliate changes. So if you're looking to build up another income stream, and the other reason I'm doing this is I have a new course called Niche Site Master launching this weekend. So do subscribe if you're interested in getting a course that will go through this step by step. I'm going to walk you through the 4 main things that the course will do for you, but rather than just a sales pitch, I'm actually going to give you some information in this video that will help you and guide you through it, the 4 things that you need in place, and also a way of doing it that will really up the conversions that you get, like up the sales that you get when promoting Clickbank products. So I hope you enjoy it. For those of you that don't know me, the reason that I'm doing this is I've worked with Clickbank for years and years, all the way back when Clickbank was 2005, 2006, promoting products from MySpace. I then went on to build 50 of my own Clickbank products from scratch in various niches, a lot of them in the gaming niche that did really well. I've had some Clickbank top sellers, like #1 best sellers with lots of affiliates, and I've had some Clickbank products that have done badly, and I've had some that just create an income and don't really get many affiliates but just create an income again and again. I'll just go over to here. So here's a certificate they sent me. This one's all the way back in 2012. I also got one, sorry, this one was for the 2012 and the inclusion in the 2013. I also got one 2014, 2015, 2011, 2010, 2009, 2008 and 2007. So a lot of Clickbank products. I don't own all those Clickbank's products now. What I've done is sold a lot of them. So those 50 Clickbank products, I sold a lot for really good profits, because a lot were in the gaming niche and doing really well, and I couldn't manage them all, so I sold them on. A lot of them were in weird niches. I had a product in the chicken coop niche, can you believe? How to build a chicken coop, did really well, and I sold that as well. So lots. I had a product, this is the gaming niche again, but I had a product in the Star Wars niche, World of Warcraft, a lot of products in that, and sold them on. My point being this is I have been online for a long time. I now sell my own products, Amazon affiliate stuff, Clickbank stuff, like from my own payment processor. And the reason I'm telling you all this is because I'm saying that I've been online for a long time. If you want to make money online, it's not easy. There's certain things that you need in place. I'm not the guy to listen to if you're wanting a push button system, or if you're interested in that sort of stuff. No work involved. I'm not the guy to listen to if you're absolutely against selling anything, because I believe that everything revolves around sales. I don't mean being pushy and horrible with people. I just mean essentially if you're selling a product and you're against sales, it's not going to work very well. And I'm going to give you the 4 things anyway, so I hope you get something out of it. Subscribe if you like it. Do check out for the Niche Site Master coming this weekend. It will be brand new for 2020, and it will be a really good course. It's going to have some different stuff in there, and I'll talk about that now. So as we cover here, I'll explain exactly how it works. So if you want to make money with Clickbank, what I suggest you do, so if you were starting out, is #1, you need a niche. You've probably heard that before. I've just gone over to the marketplace just to show you, and I've just picked a random one out. One of the things with the niche I would suggest when you're promoting products as an affiliate is #1, try and get a niche that you got some experience in. I know that's easier said than done, and I know it can be tempting just to go for a top gravity product, but the reason you want to go for something that you like or something that you have experience in is because when we get down to the actual 3rd point here, you'll see how it will all wrap together. A big mistake I see brand new people do with Clickbank is just go straight to the highest gravity, and that's not necessarily the best one to promote. The gravity on Clickbank is a number awarded to this number here, and all it means is it's an amount that is awarded to a product from 0.1 to 1.0 for every affiliate sale. The reason I'm being very clear on that is it's just awarded for an affiliate sale. So you could have a product with a gravity of 1 and they could be making an absolute fortune promoting it themselves and making money. So all it really tells you is, one, roughly how many affiliates are making sales, but bear in mind that every time an affiliate makes a sale, it's awarded a number from 0.1 to 1. Okay, and that's based on the frequency of the sales in the last, I think it's 180 or 90 days. And so if you were getting a lot of affiliate sales coming in every 5 minutes, it would almost definitely give you a gravity of 1, and then 2, and then 3. If you were getting an affiliate sale once a week, it would give you a much smaller award for that, so you might get a 0.4. You see what I'm saying? So it's not just down to gravity. That's the first thing. The niche area, how I suggest you do it is turn gravity off for a second. I don't mean turn it off on the features, but don't think about it, and pick a niche that is congenial to you. This will really help you. It's something that people miss because they want to make money quickly, so they go for the most popular product. If you're not into diet plans and those big products on there, and you go promoting it, it won't work as well. Okay, I'll tell you why in a second. So that's the first thing, the niche. And that will lead me on to this point. So I picked out a niche example here, laserless tattoo removal. Okay, gravity of only 15.61, pays $22 a sale, and I've loaded up the sales page or the sales video. Okay, the key thing I want you to understand here, my next point, is the promotion and how you do the content. So here's a way, and we're going to talk about this in the course if you choose to get it, but I want to give you some stuff here. Here's a way you can really explode your sales. When you're promoting, you want to make sure that your content actually helps, and you also want to present it in a way that is the first step. Okay, I'll give you a really quick example here. What a lot of people do when they're promoting a Clickbank product is take the name of the product, laserless tattoo removal, and they do like review, okay, and they do their review content, and they target keywords like how to get rid of tattoo. That's fine. Okay, and you'll get sales doing that. But one of the best things that you can actually do is have content that actually helps. And I know it sounds so obvious, but so many people don't do it. There's so many Clickbank sites out there that are just targeting key phrases to get clicks and sales. But the way you'll get sales far better is actually give something that someone can use straight away, and then make the product as a sort of part 2 or a natural lead on. Okay, I'll give you an example with this one. If you had some content and you actually had an article that explained, can you really remove a tattoo from home, and you were being honest in it, and you said the good side and the bad side, and you should only attempt removing a tattoo from home if you fit into these categories. Okay, and you had an informative article, and then you had a link to the product saying, if you want a free video showing exactly how the laserless tattoo removal works, you're far likely to get sales. Here's another example for you. If you were promoting a how to pick up girls, okay, or how to pick up boys, a dating product basically, and you were just going off the name of the product, and you were just like how to pick up girls, how to pick up boys, and you were just targeting those key phrases, you would get sales. But a far better way of doing it is to actually help them. Okay, so what you'd actually have is, with a dating, is exactly what to do on a first date, what to say, what to wear, where to go, and you were to provide that help. And then you had a link going through to the product. Look, if you're interested in this and looking for a complete step-by-step guide that will help you on your first date, check out the link. So that's a really, I'll explain this all in the course, but that's a really easy distinction. On one side you've just got people targeting key phrases, on another side you've actually got help. Okay, and the help what will not only make the reader read more, okay, and go through your site more, but you're going to get far better conversions by helping, and then obviously targeting the key phrases. Another really good thing that you can do if you're starting out as a Clickbank affiliate is to do a real review. Now, you've probably seen a lot of review sites that aren't really review sites, they're just targeting the keywords. Okay, so they target the name of the product and they have all the affiliate stuff. But what you actually want to do, another way you can do it, is to have a real preview of the product. To do this, it helps to contact the vendor, maybe set up a special deal with them, maybe buy the product and actually have a look through and double check with the vendor. Say, can I take a few screenshots not showing anything? Can I pick out a few key points from the guide that will help them? And again, not giving too much away, but actually have a preview. The reason that works really well is because a lot of these sites out there and a lot of the information will just be standard information that everyone can get anywhere. If you've got a real review or a real point to your site or your landing page that gives them a real preview, you will get far better conversions. So we've looked at number 1, the niche. Number 2, the promotion and how you do the content and how you actually help before and or do a preview as well. The other thing that it really helps with, the next part of it, is a list. Okay, so building a list. What you want to do very simply is to build a list. All you have to do is expand on your help in a list. So if it was the tattoo removal product, you can actually expand on the help by saying, look, unsure whether to get this product, enter your name and email below and we'll give you a preview of the product. Okay, so you can actually put it behind closed doors on a list. Really great incentive for them to sign up to the list. Or you could do your help, so you can actually say, look, if you like this article, we'd like to give you more help for free. Enter your name and email below and we will give you 4 extra steps that you can use that will help you with XYZ. And then your email is sort of a ongoing. Okay, so if you had all this content on your site that actually helps and you made your email messages coincide with that, the top 4 things to do before you remove a tattoo from home. Is it safe to remove a tattoo from home? Enter your name and email below and we'll tell you the very best techniques, what you should and shouldn't do. And then of course you're speaking to them and not hammering them with sales, but offering more help throughout that time with a link going through to the product. Now it goes without saying you do need a good product, good quality, so it's worth checking it out. And the other big part of it is you do need to know how to promote Clickbank products, and there's a lot of talk about this. Essentially what we're talking about is not how to promote Clickbank products, but how to get traffic, and there's lots and lots of ways of getting traffic. The Niche Site Master will show you how to build SEO driven sites that rank really well. I'll just show you an example of this. It's one way you can do it. These are quite cool because you can see here they've actually got a text version of their site as well, so if someone doesn't want to read, they can go through the sales page. But with your actual promotion and ranking sites, the great thing about Clickbank is that it's niche driven. Okay, so yes, guides on how to remove tattoos, but you can see here, look how many searches there are for how to remove tattoo, and look at the search difficulty, very low, so it will be relatively easy to rank for that. And if you use the tips I've given you and you make sure your information is really good and it actually helps, or it gives them a real preview of the product, ideally both, you'll get a very high conversion rate, especially when you add a list to that, okay, done in a way. So the main thing I could tell you how to do this properly is you need to have those things in place. A lot of the reason people fail with Clickbank is the traffic. Okay, so you don't want to just go spamming and just dropping your link everywhere. It won't make you much money, and the chances are, the way the internet's going now, you'll get taken off Facebook, you'll get taken off Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. There's no point in robotic voice videos and just promoting Clickbank products. You need to have some site or some landing page or some email list course and some way of sending traffic that actually helps people. I can't stress that enough. If you do that, your conversions will go way up. Okay, so you need to have a proper process for that. There's 2 main ways to break it down. You can have a site where you send paid traffic, or a site that is SEO driven. In the Niche Site Master, I'm going to be explaining both of these. Okay, it's fully updated for 2020. It comes this weekend, so do subscribe if you're interested in that, and I'll be showing you exactly how to build niche driven sites, SEO driven sites promoting niches, and I'll be showing you a lot of different examples as well, so you can actually see how to do it. But you do need to have that down. If you're just you know, if you haven't got that in place and you just try and sort of push button tools, it's not going to help you. The other reason that you want to have something like a site or a landing page or even Facebook ads and have it working is because once you've actually got this up and running and making money, you've then got an asset that you can sell for a lot of money. That's a big thing that people miss, and it's a big thing that I missed when I got started. I made a lot of money off a guide called Joanna's Horde Leveling Guide. It's still on there. So I'll just show you this. Here we go. This one. Okay, and it's still got a gravity of 4.39. That has been on Clickbank for years. It's come down in price, but I actually had a blog years ago that was promoting that, and it was just set up on a blog, okay, and I didn't build a list or anything, and that was making $500, $600, $700 a week just promoting that. And obviously World of Warcraft was bigger back then, but if you put these things in place now as a beginner and you start building a list and you have a you have a good site out there that actually offers help and you're ranking as well, and then you could use Facebook as well once you start making some sales. That's how you do it. You need to have that in place. So if you're interested in learning this stuff, come and join us. I'll be launching it this weekend to give you extra help here. I hope this video has given you an overview of what you need to have in place. So here's my recommendations. Number one, niche. Make sure that you go for a niche that you have experience in. If you don't do that, it's going to be very hard because you're going to wonder why you're not getting any sales. There's no point in just going for the highest gravity product initially, especially when you're getting started. So go for a niche. So if you play World of Warcraft, for instance, perfect niche for you. It doesn't matter about the gravity because you know how to talk about that guide and you know what people want, so that will really help you. Or go for a niche that you're interested in at the very least. Okay, number two, the promotion. Very important. When you're producing content, you don't want to have it just the same as everyone trying to sell something. Okay, you just want to have content that helps. It doesn't have to be groundbreaking or brand new stuff, but it needs to help, and the product needs to be the next level. Okay, so what I mean by that is when we're doing laserless tattoos, you want to make sure that the product complements your content. You don't want to just hammer, are you looking to remove your tattoo from home? There's many ways of removing a tattoo from home. Here's the top three. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then go, there's the product. You actually want to give them more in-depth information than that. You actually want to go, can you remove, think about the questions that they'd have before purchasing the product. So can you really remove a tattoo from home? And you have to make sure you're not lying, of course, but you give them help on that. What are the top doubts that they would have about that product? Will the laserless tattoo removal guide work for you? Here's whether you can remove a tattoo from home. Here's why you should buy it. Here's why you shouldn't, and actually put that in there. You'll get a far better conversion rate. The other thing you can do is a real preview of the product. Actually buy the guide and have a look through it and contact the vendor and say, I'm setting up a site, can I preview parts of your guide? I won't give anything away, but so I can show people that I'm a real customer and I've purchased it. That will really help you, because very few people do that. They just try selling. Okay, next thing is your list. If you've done your content correctly, then the list is an extension of your help. So you want to make the list, the opt-in, really powerful, and you do that by, again, making it as additional help. Like the dating example, enter your name and email below, and I will tell you the 4 things that you need to do before you have your first date, so it's a success. Okay, and then you're giving them help in that primarily, but you're linking back to the main product that will show them how to become a dating god, for instance. Okay, so that's what you need to have in place, and just focus on helping before. We're going to be going through this weekend. I hope that's helped. Let me know, are you looking to make money with Clickbank? Have you much experience in it? What sort of success have you had with it? The other thing I would say about Clickbank, and this will really help as a beginner, is that it's not magic because it's Clickbank. Okay, all it's got is a huge affiliate base and a lot of products that pay good commissions, but the sales process to promote a Clickbank product is exactly the same as if it was your own product or your own industry. Okay, so you need to know how to do this stuff. There's nothing magic by the fact it's Clickbank, apart from the fact it will say Clickbank on the order form. Okay, so looking forward to showing you. I'm really excited about the Niche Site Master and why I put it together. It will be fully updated. It will guide you through everything, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, do subscribe below and keep an eye out this weekend, and I'll be showing you what it's all about. Excited to show you. Hope this video helps, guys, and I'll speak to you really soon.